A Bingo Cash bonus ad that refuses to load can prevent you from claiming the reward, and the first things to check are your internet connection, app version, and whether the ad-supported reward is currently available. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot missing Bingo Cash ads without repeatedly tapping the reward button or changing your account. First, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Bingo Cash away. On Android, open recent apps and remove Bingo Cash. Then launch the game again and return to the bonus screen. If the ad loads after restarting, claim the reward normally. If it still shows a loading screen, check your internet connection before trying anything else. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Then reopen Bingo Cash and try the bonus again. The next check is the app version. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android and search for Bingo Cash. If an update is available, install it and reopen the game. Bingo Cash recommends keeping the app updated because updates can include improvements and new features. Updating the app does not remove your account, progress, or balance. If the ad still won't load, check whether other apps can access the internet normally. Open a web page or another app that uses online content. If those apps also have connection problems, fix the device's internet connection first. If everything else works but Bingo Cash ads remain unavailable, the issue may be related to the specific reward or advertising service rather than your phone. In that situation, repeatedly pressing the bonus button usually won't force an ad to appear. Don't reinstall Bingo Cash immediately. Before removing the app, capture a screenshot of the bonus screen showing that the ad is unavailable. Also record the name of the reward or bonus you are trying to claim. If the problem continues after restarting the app, checking your connection, and installing the latest update, contact Bingo Cash support. Include your device model, operating system version, Bingo Cash version, and a screenshot of the missing ad EI. Explain exactly where the ad should appear and what happens when you tap the bonus option. Those details make the problem easier for support to identify. So the practical fix is simple: restart Bingo Cash, switch your internet connection, update the app, and check whether other online apps work normally. Your next step is to reopen Bingo Cash after switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try the bonus one more time. If this fixed your Bingo Cash bonus ad problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.